Okay, just to let you know, it took me longer to get the vacuum, do the vacuum cleaner repair. I didn't show you that. I'll let the vacuum cleaner repair channel take care of that. But it took me longer to do that than it did to take the seats out and to place a junkyard unit in place. Now, I'm not going to call it junkyard, but got it from the salvage yard, so I'm basically reclaiming stuff. But there it is, my fold down console armrest, almost completely installed, just to give it a little more creature comfort, make me feel like I'm driving a Denali or a more heavily equipped Suburban or 3500. So, put these seats back in place. I can figure out how in the world they went. Oh, that's right. I did the front last. Teams go in the front. I want to go ahead and get your bolts in and start it finger tight first before you tighten all 4 of them, just to make sure they're not cross-threaded and that your brackets are fairly evenly spaced. Bolt cover. Side 1 done. Second side. Mental note to self, the last bolts I took off with the front one, so they're going to be the first ones that get put back on. Line it back up on the bolt hole. actually found another dime in here, so maybe in about 100 years the truck will pay for itself in loose change. Who knows? Penny, alright. Look out, J.P. Morgan, finding money. Go ahead and start the back ones before you tighten them all up to make sure they're not cross-threaded. Then do your body mount bolts. And as usual, come to the other side without having the socket that you needed to. There she blows. And there you have it. One of the easiest upgrades that I've done to the truck, other than slipping the leather steering wheel cover over the steering wheel. This fold down console. Now, no, it does not have the same pattern as my seats, as you can see. A little bit darker color, doesn't match the orangish, greenish, beigeish color of my seats, but it's close enough, and particularly for the price. Now, even though this is installed and the driver's side right there is pretty torn, I have ordered a replacement lid today, which is going to replace this entire lid to give me complete new functionality. I think it's going to be a lighter gray than this right here. So, what did it cost me? Didn't cost me the $400, $300 that I found in some of the online places like eBay and Amazon and things of that nature. It cost me a total of $18.99. That's all. Literally. Sorry about that movement, y'all. $18.99 at my local LKQ pull-apart. It took me 2 hours of time of roaming through the yard. Haven't been in a yard in quite a while. Gives me an idea of what's out there right now. But it took me a while, number one, to find one, because all of the good ones and even the marginal ones were already stripped out of the vehicle. So I'm not sure. It's unscientific, but as always, my luck, the particular vehicle I found this in was all the way at the back side of the yard. So it could be that folks just get tired and they don't venture further back. But I was fortunate. It was approximately the same color, and of the ones that were still remaining in the vehicles, this one was in the best shape. So $18.99. The repair lid coming to me from Amazon is only $20 and some change. So that's a pretty decent upgrade for under 50 bucks. And I got a fold down latching seat compartment with CD cases, even though I have a CD player, but I really don't use them, and I wouldn't carry them in here anyway. But it gives me some other storage to put junk in that I don't need to put in there in the first place. So there we got it, and it doesn't even take half an hour to do this. Oh, pretty decent upgrade. Get the riding style. Now I got an armrest for when my wife isn't sitting right there. That's right. But there you got it, folks. Any of these trucks, 99 through 05, I'm sure it's the same for 07 through 14. Just remove the front seats, lift out the center. Now if you have electric seats, it's going to be a little bit more involved because you've got more wiring and stuff that you will have to deal with. But considering that I've had the just a single wire over there, it shouldn't be that difficult a process. But if you got all electric seats, you probably got one of these anyway. So this is to all you folks out there, all you guys and gals that got the manual seats that want to upgrade from the fixed to the fold down armrest. There you got it. So spend some time at your local pick-apart, pull-apart, you pick, go pick, walk all over the yard all day till you find what you needed, pick, get tired, get exercise, lose weight and everything else, and you can find one too. If you hadn't noticed, here's my next project. Gotta secure the sides of the headliner before it flies away. Hey, Willie with the No Good Bucks Garage. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.